It's Tamara Williams Van Horn from Auntie Corn Leadership Strategies. Welcome back, everybody. I'm glad to be back. Moving has been like so much going on, and I wanted to come to you with the first video from our new home and show you a little bit of the natural goodness that we've got access to. This is about 2 blocks um, north of me. So this is a set of ponds. You see the mountains in the distance. Look at these clouds, and all around the ponds area are these little benches tucked in. So there are lots of people out fishing today already. There are lots of people walking their dogs. I've seen quite a few runners. You'll hear people on the path behind me. And I just wanted to share this tranquility with you. So I'm going to be quiet and invite you a moment of reflection. So we'll get back to content here in just a little bit, but I hope that this moment of reflection was restorative. I hope that seeing the nat- natural environment and hearing nature sounds soothed your spirit. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. We'll be seeing longer videos here as we get unpacked and